Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to do a redirecting page or redirecting word, how to create a redirecting like domain to your own website. So I will show you everything step by step. First of all, let's go ahead and create a new post, and for example I will create a new one. Something like that will be good. So back to you guys. Let's for example add a title which will be tutorial 3, and here we start, right? So I make something like that, tutorial FIFA Google. Now for example we wanted this, if we click on this word it will take us to another page or redirect us. So how you can do it is click on this something here and paste URL. For example, let's click or let's go to FIFA website. Okay, let's go back and open FIFA 2022 websites, and just like so we copy this link and we put it right here. So FIFA link, something like that, enter it. So now if we publish it, something like that, view post, it will be looking something tutorial FIFA Google. So if we click on FIFA, it will redirect us to FIFA page, just like that. Of course there is other ways to do it, which is copying your website URL and going to a page like AdFly, something like that, and clicking on shrink by pasting your website link in here. And then if we open it just like that, we'll have to allow it, allow for the sites, click here, and here you go, it opened for us. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually redirect or use the redirect page option in WordPress. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.